Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to set nickname on Instagram chat. Method 1. Create a group chat on Instagram. The first way you can change someone's name on Instagram DMS is by creating a group chat. This is because you can change the name of a group chat, but you can't change the name of a conversation. It's important to note that you can create a group chat and still just have two users in it. On a group chat, you will see a section called Chat Settings. In this section, there will be an option to change the group name. Type in the name you would like the group chat to be called. Also, if you scroll down, you will see a Members section. If you would like to remove a member, tap on the three dots next to their name. You can tap on Remove from Group and they will be removed. Tap on Done button in the top right to save the changes you have made. You have now changed the name of the group. When you receive a DM in the group chat, the name will be displayed as what you just changed it to. Method 2. Ask the user to change their name on Instagram. Another way you can change someone's name on Instagram DMS is by asking them to change it. All you need to do is ask them to change their name and explain why. Otherwise, they may be confused. This method works best if you just want to shorten their name. The other method, ask the user to create another Instagram account. If the user doesn't want to change their name on their main Instagram account, you could ask them to create a new Instagram account on which they can message you with a different or funny name. Then, the name can be anything and the account can be private. So, no one else needs to know who owns the account. All you need to do is ask the user you are messaging to create another Instagram account so the name can be something different and won't look weird to others viewing their main account. You could offer to create another Instagram account as well, and they can choose your name for the account. Once you are both using your other Instagram accounts, your names will be different on Instagram DMS. And when you receive a message notification, the names will be different as well. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.